Do you think when it comes to the Ghanaian music industry, we're as involved? Again, involving doesn't mean just being nominated or winning, like I'm saying. Just being there is a very big thing. I think I saw Edem.
Yeah, Edem was there.
I think I saw Edem too,
Edem
right?
was there too.
I saw Edem. So, you know, numbers are growing in terms of being a part of it.
Yeah.
What do you think is, I don't want to say is it enough because we want to win,
Yep.
but it's a step in the right direction.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Those is great. It's a good step and good initiative, and we have to compliment Denta because Denta Guba.
Oh, I nearly forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah. She did her thing.
Guba actually brought all those people on to you know. I think now we are trying to get the essence of we making the move. We can't sit down for them to come to us.
Yep.
We have to move to them. So it's not a new thing that we get all these people trying to, you know, involve themselves. And I think some time back, Stonebwoy was considered, right? Was considered. I saw some time back to Samini also went to the academy and all that. So all these things are steps to make them know that, hey, Ghana, we are here.
Yeah.
We have the music. We have the talent. But with time, we will also get there.
But we're making as much of an impact right now, do you think?
We are. At first, you see only one person going there.
That's working.
But now, you see, we see one person going there. But now...
And JC, one thing we are forgetting is that you cannot go to the Grammy without an invitation.
Exactly.
You don't just get there. You have to be doing something right.
You have to be doing something right. You have to get that invitation before you get on that red carpet. So for me, I think this is good. Getting to December, we saw the CEO of Grammy Awards come to Ghana. I think this played a very important role in these call-up. So for me, I've never seen 2, 3, 4 Ghanaian artists on the Grammy red carpet. So I'm very happy to be alive. I'm very happy to see this. And I know the next thing we are going to be seeing is them picking an award on that stage. So I think it's good.
So,
as much as it's a small achievement, I think we shouldn't downplay it.
Yeah.
We should
embrace it. That's the thing about social media now. I've always said we're in a very competitive space. I mean, I think every industry is, but with the entertainment industry, is more so projected. I mean, with presenting, with music, acting, everything, there's always fashion, right? There's always going to be that comparison. Some might say it's a good thing because, you know, it helps industries grow. Of course, when the Grammys come around, we see what our Nigerian brothers and sisters are doing. Again, you know, they're at the forefront. Congratulations to Thames. She won. I just have to put that in there with Drake and Future. Burna Boy was nominated. You know, they were there. And this comparison, it seems like, do you think it's a problem, right? The fact that takes away from us being there. Because, you know, we're there. Everyone is saying, oh, that was awesome. We're there. Big ups to us. I think we saw a couple of South Africans also win awards. That's Thames. I mean, that's the tweet there highlighting the fact that she won an award. But do you think that our brothers and sisters doing well is not necessarily downplaying? I wouldn't want to say that. I don't think it does in any way at all. I think that's actually will be disrespectful, right? But with the space we're in and how fast we want to grow as an industry, are we a few steps behind?
For me, I'm beginning to accept the fact that there are people who are definitely going to be ahead of you. And there are no two ways about that. It's about time we embrace our stage and we work towards it. And I think that is what the Ghanaian artists have realized. You see, in Nigeria, things are really, really tough there. So for them, they are always hungry. They are always like ready, eager to break barriers.
The least chance they get.
You understand me?
And we're not?
No, I think Ghana, we also know about nature.
No, are we not?
You know,
are we laid back?
Ghanaians are naturally laid back.
And I think, look, with the laid back, I don't even see it in a negative direction.
Yeah.
Why is it that Ghana is the gateway to Africa? Because of our hospitality nature. And I think if we have that and we are able to draw a lot of people to Ghana, a lot of people to Africa through Ghana, and they are able to push their agenda and push their music, and we are able to tap and learn from them, I think we are both doing well.
Yeah.
I think, for me, Ryan, I think we are doing well. So for me, I'm not going to try and be about, and the Nigerians are here and they are there. I feel like they're doing, look, Stonebwoy was in the studio with Jordan Sparks. Stonebwoy met Jordan Sparks in LA, and Jordan Sparks was like, wow, is that Stonebwoy? I think these are the things that are moving me now. You understand? I had, and look, Rock Nation branch, I saw Thames there. And the next edition, I'm going to see Sako there. So for me,
I think Sako have been there. Right? Oh, that was
Sako had paid a visit to Rock Nation office. So that is, but you see, the only issue with us is probably we don't highlight it more. Probably we don't make much.
So, Prudence, are you going to, back to my statement last year, where I said,
this guy is not taking us back.
We're not doing as bad as it seems. I mean, isn't that statement justified right now?
Oh,
We are not doing
because
bad.
we're always in the
We
mix.
are not, as for bad,
Like,
we are not doing
yeah,
bad.
We are not doing
It
bad.
doesn't
I've never
mean
said
we
we
should-
are. I've never said we are doing bad. The thing is, look, how many countries in Africa? When you talk about music, Ghana and Nigeria is always mentioned. Right? So for me, I think we are doing very well. It's just that, like human beings, we always want to be number one. We always want to do well than the other. So for me, the reason why I felt like talking to them, critiquing them, and pushing them would help them to achieve their goal.
But we shouldn't be very hard on them because we are doing. Ghana is doing well. Trust me. With the resources we have here, with the investment we have here, and artists doing all these things. Some of them are independent artists.
Of course.
Those that we see, the Nigerian brothers and sisters that we see, they have a force behind them. These are individual people doing and achieving these things.
So one thing I love about how we're discussing what we're discussing today is it seems like there's a lot of encouragement now. Oh, you know, it's either you look at your glass half empty or half full. I think we're getting to the point where we're seeing it as half full. And I asked a couple of questions last year again, is that, are we having the wrong conversations? When it comes to this industry, sliding into our next topic, do we have the wrong conversations when it comes to the industry?
I think we celebrate and we enjoy bad news. Like we celebrate when our brother is in pain, is in shame, more than when the glory comes.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll just say it how it is. Because when the good things come, instead of us jumping on board to praise and, push the agenda, instead we start critiquing, looking for mistakes somewhere to make it.